Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Venmo. Send and receive money easily step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android and search for Venmo. Download and install the Venmo app only from the official store to stay secure. When the installation is finished, tap the Venmo icon to open the app. On the first screen, choose Login if you already have a Venmo account. Enter the email address or phone number that is linked to your Venmo account. Type your Venmo password carefully and double-check for spelling mistakes. Tap the Login button and wait a few seconds for the app to sign you in. If you see a verification prompt, follow the on-screen steps to confirm your identity. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password and choose Email or SMS Reset. Open the reset link or code you receive, create a new password, and return to the app. After logging in, review your profile name and photo to confirm you are in the correct account. Tap the menu or profile icon to check your privacy settings before making payments. To add a payment method, go to Settings and open Payment Methods. Link your bank account using instant verification or manual routing and account numbers. Optionally add a debit card or credit card. Then confirm it if Venmo requests verification. Now return to the home screen and tap Pay or Request to start a transaction. In the search bar, type the username, phone number, or email of the person you want to pay. Select the correct person from the list and confirm it matches the right profile. Enter the amount you want to send, then write a short note describing the payment. Choose your funding source, such as Venmo balance, bank account, or card. Check the privacy level for the transaction and set it to private if you prefer. Tap Pay to send money. Then confirm when the final review screen appears. To request money instead, choose Request. Enter the amount, add a note, and tap Request. To receive money, make sure your Venmo account is active and your notifications are enabled. When someone pays you, check the notification and view the transaction in your activity feed. To transfer money to your bank, open your balance, tap Transfer, and choose Standard or Instant. Always verify the recipient and amount before sending, because payments can be hard to reverse. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.